She's 20, 20, 20. Well, now, well, now. The man me so yes, oh no.
Welcome back. Hey guys, it's me, and today I'll be doing an eyebrow routine makeup tutorial kind of thing. I've been getting a lot of questions on how I do my eyebrows, so I decided to film this video so you guys will know how I do my eyebrows, and also I don't have to show how I do my eyebrows in every video now. The way I shape my eyebrows, I usually like tweeze and also trim down with these like little like scissors that I have. But if I'm at my mom's salon, she would wax them for me, but that's not very often because I'm kind of scared of waxing. So I just zoomed in into my crusty face so you guys can see how I do my eyebrows. The first thing I go in with is the e.l.f. eyebrow kit in dark. I use the Anastasia number 12 brush. It has like a spoolie on one end and also a brush on the other end. I take the pomade part. Usually I just use this to outline my eyebrow. Usually I start on the top of my eyebrow. I like work in small strokes and then I go ahead and line the bottom. And then once I outline around, I go ahead and outline the tail. This eyebrow is actually so ugly. I don't know, this eyebrow always works out better for me. Once I outline my brows, then I take my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I use the shade Ebony, and then I just start filling in about like half of my brow. Like I usually fill in like starting right here and back. Yeah, like you just color in the lines. I'm gonna do the same for the other eyebrow, even though it looks so bad like all the time. I don't know why. I avoid filling in the fronts because when I brush out all the products and stuff, it would give like a nice like fade gradient kind of thing. So it's kind of unnecessary to put product there. Which is also why I like to use the e.l.f. pomade to outline, because I feel like it spreads out nicely. Okay, now that I basically filled in my eyebrow, I go ahead and brush it out. So I usually brush upwards here, and then for the part right here, I just brush in a direction my hair grows. So same for this eyebrow, I brush upwards in the front and then just follow the hair growth direction. I go ahead and use my MaybeMi Fit Me concealer. I use the shade Lights and I just put it on the back of my hand. Then I go ahead and take a brush. I use this angle brush from Wet n Wild, and I go ahead and conceal around my eyebrows. Oh my god, I messed up. Frick! Once I concealed my eyebrows, usually I blend out with my pinky, so I just go around and blend out my concealer like this. Okay, after that, usually I go back in with the e.l.f. pomade and just fix around my eyebrows so it's more I don't know, more, what's the word, clean, I guess. I'm gonna just stop there. It looks so bad right now and I don't know why. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder and just powder my eyebrow. I just go like this. Just to set my concealer. And now the last thing I really do is take my Essence Make You Brow Gel and set my eyebrow. In the front, again, I just brush upward. For the rest, I just follow the eyebrow growth direction. Obviously, I highlight my brow bone. I'm using the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. And yeah, that's all I really do for my eyebrows. So that is all for my eyebrow routine. I just went ahead and finished up the rest of my makeup. I just put on concealer and highlighter and all that because I look really crusty right now. And obviously, my eyebrows don't look good that today. Yeah, okay, that's all for my video. You guys have a good day. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye guys.
She's 20, 20, 20. Well, now, well,